It's not hard to see why offerings like this 1963 Galaxie XL are cherished by hardcore Ford enthusiasts. Pairing a stout FE V8 with a row-it-yourself 4-speed and tasteful aesthetics, this old-school bruiser is what we like to call a must-have classic. This drop top's handsome looks are the product of an acute body-on restoration that was completed sometime in the not-too-distant past. That carefully planned reboot was finished with correct Champagne 2 stage and capped with a fresh power-operated canvas, and that classy pigment has been carefully maintained and proudly paraded. One of the best virtues of this Ford is the fact that you can stretch out across its huge interior and enjoy endless hours of cruising. Cushy vinyl buckets are the perfect place to spend sunny afternoons seeing the sights. A color-keyed dash hangs ornate gauges between a chrome-trimmed steering wheel, an old-school tachometer, and an AM/FM radio. And a wide console seats a small shifter in textured stainless. Befitting the Galaxie 500 XL's origins as Ford's first full-size muscle machine, this flashy convertible is motivated by a 352 cubic inch FE V8. Power is transmitted through a tough Borg-Warner T10 that spins a buff 9-inch axle. A torquey V8, a tough 4-speed, and head-turning aesthetics that proudly reflect something way more interesting than resale red. This XL isn't just a cool cruiser, it's a cool cruiser that's both unique and fun. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.